Intuitive Machines plans to release its financial results for Q4 and FY 2024 on March 24, 2025, before the market opens. A conference call will be held the same day at 8:30 a.m. ET to discuss the results. Micron Technology is still riding the high from its AI server products and collaboration with NVIDIA. The company's strategic focus on AI development stood out positively amidst drastic fluctuations over the past week in the broader market. Despite facing legal challenges, Micron's growth has been driven by initiatives such as a $15 billion memory manufacturing facility and consistent dividend policy. Micron's Q2 fiscal 2025 results have optimistic expectations, especially in the DRAM business, due to surging AI investments and partnerships with tech giants like NVIDIA. However, weakness in the NAND business may partially offset this growth due to ongoing supply-demand imbalances and sluggish profitability. Newegg has received approval from its board of directors and controlling shareholders for a 20-to-1 reverse stock split, which is expected to become effective on April 7, 2025. The move aims to meet minimum NASDAQ listing price per share requirements and will affect all shareholders proportionately without changing their percentage interest in the company, except for fractional shares that will be exchanged for cash. Computershare Inc. is anticipated to act as the exchange and paying agent for this share combination. NIO announced an agreement with Contemporary Amperex Technology, CATL, China's largest battery manufacturer, to develop a battery swapping network for EV drivers. This collaboration aims to create the largest and most advanced battery swapping service network for passenger vehicles while unifying industry technical standards, enhancing capital and business collaboration, and providing efficient recharging solutions. Battery swapping eliminates the need for lengthy recharging waits by allowing drivers to replace depleted batteries with fully charged ones in a matter of minutes. This service is gaining traction in China, where there are supportive government policies and investment from car manufacturers, with experts predicting that by 2030, up to 10% of the global EV market could be accounted for by battery swapping. NIO already operates the largest battery swap network currently in place with 3,172 stations and aims to build on this leadership position with the collaboration. Plug Power has priced its underwritten registered offering of 46.5 million shares of common stock and pre-funded warrants to purchase 138.9 million shares of common stock. The gross proceeds from the offering are expected to be approximately $208 million before deducting underwriting discounts and commissions and other expenses. Net proceeds will go towards working capital and general corporate purposes, helping to drive profitability in 2025. Oppenheimer & Co. is acting as sole book-running manager for the offering. Plug also recently partnered with North American wire and cable manufacturer Southwire Company to implement a green hydrogen ecosystem at its new distribution site in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. Under the agreement, Plug will supply over 50 hydrogen-powered forklifts and a fueling station, as well as source hydrogen from one of its production facilities in Georgia, Tennessee, or Louisiana. The partnership marks Plug's entry into the industrial supplier market and builds on its established presence in e-commerce and retail sectors. For more on Plug and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.